So guys, this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So start with unboxing it. Firstly, we cut the outside wrapper of this box, and here is the Redmi Note 9 Pro official unboxing video. So first of all, you get a small box. Here you can get a SIM ejector tool, and this is the smartphone guide for you. And here is the direction of SIM ejection, and here is our smartphone. So this is the look. This is the smartphone Redmi Note 11 Pro. So this is 5G smartphone, and here side fingerprint sensor, upper side a branding JBL, and 3.5 mm jack, and dual speaker here, and USB type C cable charging. And other side in this box you got a 67-watt charging adapter. So this is 67-watt charging adapter. So thank you guys, this is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and this is launch in India very soon. So thank you, like, share and subscribe my video.